Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with an early Thursday afternoon update on what's ahead here for the rest of this Thursday, Friday, and the Memorial Day weekend. You can see, looking at pinpoint Doppler, pretty much dry across the ArkLaTex early this afternoon, watching a large area of showers and a few thunderstorms off to the west. There is some question as to how much of an impact that will bring us. As we take a look at the HRRR, you can see how it matches up with the current radar. Put this into motion here during the next 18 hours, and you can see the area of rain over the western edge of the area now should remain below severe limits as it moves into East Texas and northwest Louisiana late this afternoon. We're going to be watching the northern sections of the ArkLaTex, northeast Texas, southwest Arkansas, McCurtain County, and southeast Oklahoma. You can see some thunderstorms late this evening developing just to our west. We'll see the main focus of those storms, if the HR is correct, remain over the northern sections of the area very late this evening. Those storms will eventually move out of the ArkLaTex as we go through the latter stages of Thursday night, and then by Friday morning we're pretty much done with the rain, and we'll wait the next batch of thunderstorms which could come as we look ahead to Friday evening. Meantime, severe weather risk. This is the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. You can see the slight risk for East Texas and northwest Louisiana. That's because of the storms that are now to our west. But within this area, it looks like the chances will be highest here over northeast Texas, southwest Arkansas. As far as seeing the stronger storms, there is some question as to how strong the storms will be moving into East Texas and northwest Louisiana this afternoon. Now, after we get through tonight, again, more storms will be possible. What's going to be happening is upper level ridge will be expanding somewhat to the north. That's going to shift the main focus of any severe weather threat to the north. So tomorrow evening, a few strong storms possible, mainly over the northern sections of the area. Same thing on Saturday, probably during the nighttime hours Saturday night, if they do actually develop. And then Sunday, Storm Prediction Center showing a continued chance over the northern sections of the region, but models not really showing a whole lot as far as rain moving through Saturday and Sunday. Here's a look at Robin's Toyota Futurecast. You can see it does show the best intensity, or the highest intensity, with the storms over the northern sections of the ArkLaTex, very similar to what the HRRR was showing. Notice that rain moves out tonight. Tomorrow we will see a partly cloudy sky, and notice not a whole lot of rain during the day. I think we will stay dry, but notice what happens during the evening hours. Scattered thunderstorms develop near Interstate 30, and as we go through the overnight hours on Friday, those storms will eventually move on out towards the east. And again, the main focus likely will stay over the northern sections of the area. We'll see some sunshine return as we go through Saturday, and probably we'll see a partly to mostly cloudy sky Saturday night. Let's switch over to the longer range version of Futurecast, and I'm going to zoom this out, and you can see this model showing that as we go through Saturday night, again, storms up in Missouri, all that activity will stay there. Notice going through Sunday, all the storms stay to our north. And then going through Sunday night, again, most of the storms stay to our north and east. Notice this frontal system off to the north and west of the ArkLaTex right here. That is what's going to push its way to the south and east, probably giving us our next best chance of rain on Monday night. Now, as far as rainfall potential, the heaviest rain, again, a couple of inches plus, will be possible over the northern sections of the area during the next 24 to 48 hours. But in the meantime, it's going to get hotter, and it's going to stay humid, as we'll see lows tonight in the mid to upper 60s over the north and upper 60s, low 70s south. That includes 73 in Shreveport, 67 in Texarkana. Again, scattered storms will increase this evening, probably will be strongest over the northern half of the area. Most of tomorrow looking dry during the day, but as after the sun sets, we will see some scattered storms develop over the northern sections of the area. You can see the impact of the sun, highs area wide in the low to middle 90s, including 96 in Natchitoches, 94 in Shreveport, and 91 degrees in Texarkana. 10-day forecast shows that most of the weekend, especially during the day, will be dry. Highs will be in the mid-90s. Slight chance of rain on Memorial Day will increase Monday night as that cold front moves in, and then we'll see another chance for some rain as we move into the last half of next week. Behind that front, it will cool off a bit. Highs in the 80s, lows in the 60s. We'll warm up a little bit towards the end of the 10-day period. So again, watching thunderstorms now off to the west, and the possibility of new storms developing this Thursday evening, with more thunderstorms possible, mainly over the northern sections of the area, Friday evening and Friday night.